Hello, today we have Frank Basa, the CEO and chairman of Nord Precious Metals Mining, trading on the Toronto Stock Exchange Ventures under the ticker NTH and on the OTCQB under the ticker CCWOF. Frank, welcome to RedChip.
Well, a pleasure to be here. Thank you very much.
Nord Precious Metals Mining is advancing a near-term silver and critical metals production strategy in Canada's historic cobalt camp. Frank, can you start with a brief overview of the company and what makes Nord unique in today's silver market?
We are actually in one of the what I'll call richest silver districts in Canada. It's a former producer. It's known for producing extremely high grade mineralization, and we happen to pick up a very wonderful project, what's called a Castle Mine, from which we've kind of developed it. So we've been growing it, and we've been adding to it, and of course we've been nonstop drilling on it. So what we're trying to do is two things. We have a two-track system. The first one to go to production, reprocessing the tailings, and the second one, keep on drilling and doing exploration.
Castle East holds what's considered one of the highest grade silver resources on record globally, Frank. What does that mean for Nord's development strategy and market positioning?
See, the thing is, what we have, we actually, our first resource came in at over 8,000 grams a ton, silver only. So what we're looking for now, we found out in addition to these narrow widths, which are about a foot to 2 feet, if we expanded it to a larger width, we'll bring the grade down, but we significantly increase the amount of silver ounces and also all the critical metals. Majority of the critical metals are actually copper, cobalt, nickel. And actually, the town, named by a geologist, is actually cobalt.
Wow. Ontario's 1P1P recovery permit framework offers an accelerated path to reprocessing legacy tailings and waste rock. You've been invited to submit under that process. What does the road to first production look like, Frank?
So what we're looking for right now, we did a recent acquisition earlier this year. We spent about $6 million adding to our position here. It has a very large tailings area. There's about 2.9 million ounces of recoverable silver. We're looking to do this treatment over about a 7-year time frame at a minimum of 325,000 ounces a year, silver only. So the reason we're doing that is we're trying to get the tailings off the old historical mines, and the potential exists under the historical mines to create a large open pit to recover all the material that's been left behind historically.
A fully funded 30,000-meter drill program is underway at Castle East. What milestones should investors be watching for over the coming months?
So when we drill, we put out a steady stream of drill results. Now, what we're looking for here is originally we thought we did a drill program earlier on. We thought we had no more than 10 vein structures. And now we found out that we actually have 29 vein structures. So we're testing 7 of those 29 right now. And the program right now is stage 2, which is another 5,000 meters. So we plan to do the 30,000 meters and hopefully carry on with the program as we keep on finding new vein structures.
Frank, as you well know, in January 2026, silver hit an all-time high of $121 an ounce. It's currently trading at around $75 to $77. How is Nord positioned to capitalize on the current silver market environment?
So what we do, we position ourselves for increasing silver share price. So originally we were looking at only at $20 to $30 an ounce. What surprised us, and we've been told by a lot of my European investors, it'll hit $100 an ounce. And of course, we thought that'll be wonderful. Actually, I just came back from European tour, and I met a lot of family offices. Now they're talking $600 an ounce. So the program we've developed in terms of exploration and reprocessing the tailings, as the price moves up, we increase our resource. So what we're looking for right now is probably a base price about $50 an ounce. And it might move higher from there, but we're very, very comfortable at $50 an ounce.
Final question, Frank. What is the essential value proposition? Why should investors take an interest in Nord Precious Metals right now?
One of the main things we should be looking here as going forward, it's basically a two-track system. The first one is production, the second one, ongoing exploration. Our land package is large, huge potential, and of course, price of silver, if it stays at its support level now, we expect to go significantly higher. So combinations of long-term, near-term production, which we'll start with the tailings first. We'll go to hard rock, and then, of course, ongoing exploration. So, one of the things most people are not aware of, we as a family have invested significantly into the asset, and we're long term players. So, we feel the price point for silver will probably be somewhere to $50, $60 an ounce, from which a base is being built. We just came back from a European tour, and a lot of people are told me years ago that silver go past 100 an ounce. Now we're saying $600 an ounce. So these people are well seasoned, family offices, long term view on the price of silver, and maybe it might happen.
We always love to hear that. You're looking for the long term, Frank. Great story. Welcome to RedChip. Thank you.
Thank you very much for having me.